Hey guys, what's going on? It's the digital tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find your message request folder on Facebook, which is a separate inbox to your normal messenger, and it's actually used for messages received from people that aren't friends with you, and it's also used to filter out spam messages. So if you're new to the channel and you find this video helpful, please leave a like. If there's anything you're wanting to learn about, tech or digital related, drop a comment below, and also subscribe to the channel as I do release new tutorials daily, tips and tricks, and all sorts of how-to and step-by-step tutorials for everything tech and digital related. So what we need to do is come across to facebook.com. And go ahead and log into your account. And once that's loaded through, if you go to the messenger icon up here in the top right hand corner, and what you want to do is click on at the bottom here, see all in messenger. So this is going to load up all my messages. Now all the messages in here are from people that I'm friends with on Facebook. What you need to do is up here there's three dots, so if you go ahead and click those three dots, and you'll need to click on the third option down, which is message requests. And what's going to happen, this is actually going to load up messages from people that you're not friends with on Facebook. So if you've contacted someone, if you've been in contact with someone and they've said they're going to send you a message on Facebook, but you're not friends with them on Facebook, this is a place you need to go to check, and you should see the message from them there. It does also filter out a lot of spam email. So what you can do is obviously go through and check for any messages that you're due to receive from anyone that you're not friends with on Facebook. It's actually a separate inbox to your main messenger inbox. So I hope you found that helpful, and if that did help, like I said, if you could leave a like on the video, drop a comment below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.